Hello friends, this is the chapter 1 sets of class 11. First of all, we see the definition of set. So set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. That means जो भी objects को हम collect कर रहे हैं वो सभी के सभी objects well defined होने चाहिए and all objects should be distinct. Well defined means, for example, I have written AEIOU. इसको देख कर हम इजीली बता सकते हैं दिस आर द नथिंग बट द वोवेल्स ऑफ इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट. सो इट इज़ अ वेल डिफाइंड बिकॉज इजीली हम देख के बता सकते हैं AEIOU आर नथिंग बट द वोवेल्स ऑफ इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट. सो दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड. एज वेल एज वी कैन सी दैट all the elements comes only one times. That means A is only one times, E is only one times, I is only one time. Similarly O and U both are one time. That means no elements or no objects repeats in this collection. So this is the example of a set. So AEIOU, this collection is well defined and all the objects are distinct. So this is a set. Second example, 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 are nothing but the नेचुरल नंबर्स लेस देन 6. अगेन इसको हम इजीली देख के बता सकते हैं दिस नंबर्स आर नेचुरल नंबर्स विच आर लेस देन 6. सो दिस इज अ वेल डिफाइंड. सो दिस इज एग्जांपल ऑफ अ सेट. थर्ड एग्जांपल इज 2 4 6 8 10 एंड सो ऑन. सो अगेन इसको देखकर हम बता सकते हैं दिस आर नथिंग बट द इवन पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स. So this collection is well defined collection. So it is an example of a set. So these are three examples of a sets. One more thing, sets are generally represented by capital letters of English alphabet. That means this set can be represented as A is equal to in set form AEIOU. Similarly we can write capital B is equal to 1 2 3 4 and 5 and C is equal to 2 4 6 8 and 10 so on. One more thing, here we can say that AEIOU are nothing but the elements of set A. That means A is element of set A, E is element of set A, I is element of set A. Similarly O and U are also element of set A. So we can write A belongs to set A, E belongs to set A. Similarly we can write for I, O and U, they all belongs to set A. Now here we can see that T is not present in set A, so we can write T does not belongs to set A. So this is the symbol of does not belongs to. So T does not belongs to set A. Here also we can write 1 belongs to set B, so we can write 1 belongs to B, 2 belongs to B. Similarly 3 belongs to B, 4 belongs to B and 5 belongs to B. Third example, 2 belongs to C, 4 belongs to C. We can write in this way 2 belongs to C, 4 belongs to C and so on. So these are the example of a set and these all examples are the examples of well defined collection. Now let's take some example which are not well defined. For example, I have written two examples. First example is the collection of most talented writers of India. Now there is no criteria to define who is most talented writer, so we are not able to make such collection. So because of this word talented, most talented, we are not able to make such collection. So this is the example of not well defined collection. So this is the example of not well defined collection. Second example is the collection of most dangerous animals of the world. So again we are not able to say that which animals are the most dangerous animals. So because of this term most dangerous, this collection is not well defined collection, and because of this we cannot say that this collection is a set. Similarly this collection is also cannot be considered as a set. So these are the two examples which are not representing set. There are two ways to represent a set. One way is tabular form or roster form, and second way is set builder form. So in these two way we can represent a set. Here I have written numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. अब इसको हम देख के बता सकते हैं दिस नंबर्स आर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स less than 14. So these are the positive integers, and these all numbers are odd positive integers. So we can say that these are the odd positive integers less than 14. Now between each element there is a sign of comma. Between 1 and 3 this is a sign of comma. Between 3 and 5 there is a sign of comma. So in this method all the elements are listed separated by the commas. That means सभी एलिमेंट्स के बीच में कॉमा के साइन होगी. सो दिस मेथड इज नोन एज अ टेबुलर फॉर्म और रोस्टर मेथड. नाउ इन सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म वी कैन राइट दिस सेम सेट एज इन दिस वे एक्स such that x is a odd positive integers less than 14. सेम सेट को हमने यहाँ पे इस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट किया हुआ है. दैट मीन्स एक्स, व्हाट इज एक्स? एक्स इज द ऑड पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स लेस देन 14. दैट मीन्स 14 से सभी लेस इंटीजर्स विच आर ऑड. तो कौन कौन से होंगे? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 एंड 13. सो 14 से कम ऑड पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स आर दिस 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. Let's take one more example. For example, in tabular form we have written A, E, I, O, U. So again between each element there is a sign of comma. So this method is tabular method. Now same thing we want to write in set builder form. So we can write as x such that x is a vowels of English alphabet. So A, E, I, O, U we have written in tabular form, and set builder form we can write as x such that what is x? The x is the vowels of English alphabet. So there are two methods to represent set. One is tabular form or roster form. Second is set builder form. Now we will see some examples how to convert roster to set builder form and from set builder form to roster form. First one is we have given A is equal to 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6 and 6 by 7. Now this is in roster form and we want to convert this into set builder form. So set builder form में कैसे convert करेंगे? So A is equal to first of all we write x such that now अब रिलेशन देखेंगे. यहाँ पे रिलेशन क्या है? न्यूमरेटर इज 1 एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज 2. सो 1 और नीचे क्या हो रहा है? 1 + 1, तो ये हुआ 1/2. सेकंड इज 2 by 3. So 2 by 3, so in numerator is 2 and denominator 2 + 1. So 2 + 1 3 हो गया. Similarly 3 by 4, so 3 by 4, so in numerator 3 and denominator 3 + 1. So numerator में नंबर एज इट इज रहता है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 और डिनोमिनेटर में न्यूमरेटर +1 हो रहा है 2, 1 + 1, 3, 2 + 1, 4, 3 + 1, 5, 4 + 1. In this way we can write x such that x is equal to n और नीचे क्या हो जाएगा? +1 कर देंगे. न्यूमरेटर में जो है उसका +1 करेंगे तो n + 1. सो x is equal to n upon n plus 1. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in numerator all numbers are natural numbers, so we can write n belongs to n and n is less than 7 because यहाँ पे 1 to 6 नंबर ही कंसिडर किए हुए हैं. सो n is less than 7, that means n is less than 7. Now n can take value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and all the n are natural number. For example, if we write n is equal to 1, so 1 upon 1 plus 1, 2, so 1 upon 2. If we write n is equal to 2, so 2 upon 2 plus 1, तो 2/2 plus 1, that is 2/3, second element. If we take n is equal to 3, 3/3 plus 1, that means 3/4, third element. So in this way we can write in set builder form. So this form is roster form, and we have written this form in set builder form. Let's take one more example. Second example is a is equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on up to 8. Now convert this roster form into set builder form. कैसे करेंगे कन्वर्ट? अगेन वी विल राइट a इज इक्वल टू x सच दैट, अगेन अब इसको हम देखेंगे क्या है, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 अप टू 8, ये नंबर्स क्या है इसको हम देखेंगे। तो इसको देख के हम बता सकते हैं दिस आर नथिंग बट दी इंटीजर्स। इंटीजर्स में जीरो भी इंक्लूड होगा, नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी इंक्लूड होंगे, तो दिस नंबर्स आर नथिंग बट दी इंटीजर्स. So we can write a is equal to x such that x is an integer. बट इंटीजर तो बहुत सारे, इनफाइनाइट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 एंड सो ऑन बहुत है, बट हमें तो यहाँ पे इंटीजर 8 पे स्टॉप करना है, -1 से स्टार्ट करना है, तो कैसे लिखेंगे? सो a इज इक्वल टू एक्स सच दैट x इज एन इंटीजर एंड -1 लेस देन और इक्वल टू x लेस देन और इक्वल टू 8. डेट मीन्स x -1 और 8 के बीच में जितने भी इंटीजर्स आ रहे हैं वो सभी के सभी इंटीजर्स कंसिडर करेगा और -1 और 8 को भी कंसिडर करना है. सो -1 फ्रॉम -1 to 8, that means -1 0 1 2 3 4 up to 8. So this we have written given set in set builder form, and this form is in roster form. So we have convert from roster to set builder form. Now we will see some example how to convert how to convert set builder form to roster form. Third example is b is equal to x such that x cube is equal to -1. x is a real number. Now convert b into roster form. अब roster form में कैसे convert करेंगे? So we can write here b is equal to, अब देखो यहाँ पे रिलेशन क्या दिया हुआ, x such that x cube is equal to -1 and x belongs to R. That means x is a real number. Now x cube is equal to, we can write as -1 and -1 को हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं -1 raised to 3. So x raised to 3 is equal to -1 raised to 3. That means दोनों का पावर सेम है तो बेस भी डेफिनेटली सेम ही होगा. So we can write x is equal to -1. So here there is one element x is equal to -1. अब ऐसे कितने एलिमेंट्स आएंगे? तो there is only one element and that is x is equal to -1. So this we have convert into roster form from set builder form. set builder form में b is equal to x such that x cube is equal to -1, x belongs to R. इसके एलिमेंट्स क्या आएंगे? तो हमने लिखा है b is equal to, there is only one element that is -1. So b is equal to -1. This form is nothing but the roster form. Now last example, again we have given this in set builder form. set builder form में कैसे पता चलेगा दिया हुआ है? So set builder form में डेफिनेशन के फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ होता है set. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है b is equal to x such that, what is x? x is a positive integer and x square less than 40. तो यहाँ पे दो रिलेशन है, x पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होना चाहिए एंड x स्क्वायर लेस देन 40. सो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर स्टार्ट होगा पहले 1 से, 1 स्क्वायर ऑफ 1 इज 1 एंड 1 लेस देन 40. तो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट आएगा 1 बिकॉज 1 इज लेस देन 40. सेकंड रिलेशन को भी सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. सेकंड पॉजिटिव इंटीजर इज 2. सो इफ वी राइट 2, तो 2 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4 एंड 4 इज लेस देन 40. So again 2, 3 because square of 3 is 9 and 9 is less than 40. Similarly you can write 4 because square of 4 is 16 and 16 less than 40. 5 square of 5 is 25, 25 is less than 40. 6 square of 6 is 36, 36 less than 40. Now can we write 7? No, because 7 square is equal to 49 and 49 is not less than 40. तो यहाँ पे 7 स्क्वायर हम कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे. सो वी विल टेक ओनली पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 विद आर सेटिस्फाई ऑल्सो दिस रिलेशन x स्क्वायर लेस देन 40. सिंपल है। कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे, तो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर होने का ये, और सेकंड कंडीशन जो है एक्स स्क्वायर लेस देन 40 इसको सेटिस्फाई करनी चाहिए। सो दिस वी हैव रिटन इन सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म एंड दिस वी हैव कन्वर्ट इनटू roster form. So B is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 are the elements of the set B.